Hello my loves and welcome back to your favorite crochet channel. Today it's not completely about crocheting, it still kinda is, but today I'm taking you guys with me to Amsterdam. And if you're new here, hi, I'm BELINA, 22 years old. Welcome to the channel. I opened up my own yarn brand about a year ago and I'm currently planning on a restock. Plus, I designed a crochet bag, which can also be used as a skincare bag. And because of this upcoming restock, I decided to travel to Amsterdam with a friend of mine. And because I desperately needed to get out of Berlin, because, well, as you might know, the past few weeks were kind of horrible for me. So I took my chance and traveled to Amsterdam with a friend of mine for a few days to shoot content for the upcoming bag and restock of the yarn, to work on the upcoming polo shirt pattern, and just stroll around the city and crochet and drink a bit too much coffee. Honestly, these days were pretty overwhelming for me because I felt like I still have a lot to do with working on myself to cope with what's been going on in life. And I'm also currently feeling a lot of pressure on myself for the BELINA restock to be good because I was putting so much work into my baby in the past few weeks and finding a new logistics partner and making new investments, that there's kind of more to it now. And because I have so many cool things already in mind for future events, drops, videos, I'm currently just being a bit scared, to be honest. And it feels a bit weird talking about this right now, because who actually wants to admit that they're scared? Especially on social media, where everything gets wrapped up in nice covers and the bad stuff gets hidden away. But I'm scared, I really fucking am, because what if it doesn't work out? But as cliche as it might sound, what if it does? What if I build this community and brand together with you, where we can maybe in the future meet up in real life to crochet together, where I have the possibilities to produce even more colors of yarn, plan community brand trips where we can travel together and crochet. How fucking adorable would that be? So what if it actually does work out? If it actually does work out, it's gonna make me more than happy, because building a little crochet fam with you cuties out there feels like a surreal dream to me. And this feeling is even bigger than the fear that's currently crawling up inside of me, I think. So let's just hold on to it working out, even though it's very scary right now. And maybe this also is a little motivation for everyone outside there seeing this right now and being scared of starting something, because what if it doesn't work out? It's a reminder that just do it, because what if it does work out? That was a little diary entry from my trip to Amsterdam and the few moments that I captured while being there. I cannot wait to see what's coming up for us as a little crochet family. So excited for every little step that we're taking together, and I hope you like this very small little video with these cute moments, and if you did, show some love in the comments, even though it was a little bit of a different video than usual. I hope you liked, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, of the week, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, feel free to check out my other socials if you want to see more of me and crochet me. And yeah, sending love.